guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, if this is your first time I'll see my beautiful face. My name is Jadisola. I'm not a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. And to my returning subscribers, I love you guys. You guys are so awesome. So yeah, today I will be going out. This is like a get me lit video. Don't mind me. But I don't have anything to wear. My clothes did not get delivered on time. I have to look for something else to wear in my wardrobe. So yeah guys, today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to install your Frontal. Yeah, and you get ready with me. Let's go slay, have fun. I'll take you through all the way. And the first thing we need is your cap. Yes, this cap. So I got my own color. So I'm just trying to clean the front of my hair because everybody, well, you all know that I'm on dread, so I just relocked it and I waved it down. Let's get right in. Ooh.
Soon as I pick up, I'm about to pop up on your phone like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, 2 times, baby girl, you know.
Yeah, I'm using Got to Be, the small one.
All the niggas round me, gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right.
So yeah guys, we have to leave it to dry a little. Let's talk about the dress. Now, I'm so confused because before my mom left for work and I was asking her, what should I wear? She's telling me she does not know. Apparently, there's no new stuff in my wardrobe. So, just waiting for this to dry up first. Guys, I think it has dried a little because there is no time. We only have like an hour to get ready. I hope this thing has dried, child. I hope so. As I got this extension from Jade's Hair, I really love the volume of this hair. Like, this is my favorite hair right now. Ew. I actually don't have time to bleach the knot, but we'll definitely make it work. We're gonna wait for this to dry first. So guys, I think this one has melted a little, so I'm going to go in with another coat.
Yeah.
So while we wait for this to dry off, let me go and look for what to wear because time has gone.
You to my heart, I must leave a decoration. Me sticking with love, I brought for you for foundation.
I can find is this and this. I probably just decide when to fit. But this one is not bad. What you guys think if I wear this one? Or this one? Or this? Let's see. I'll try them on and I'll show you guys. So guys, I think it has dried off. I have to finish up on time. Guys, the volume of this hair is crazy. I'm coming. Let me get my elastic band. The elastic rubber band.
Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your past against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby.
Now I look like Ojuju Calabar. But trust me, everything's going to come together. So I'm going to take this off, then I'm going to cut it out. Well, let me just pack my hair.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done, and work come over. Yeah. We just just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come on. Yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
You send me out there, work. You see me do my da. Something about that work. When you walk out, I'm in the car from my church.
Yeah. Full body. Yeah.
Work. To me, I be work. See me do me dirt. Something about that work. When you walk out, in the cafe, drive me a dessert. Listen to be lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like.
So guys, I'm almost done. I decided to go for this look. I'm just going to do my edges.
Crisis. I believe that all of your dreams.
So guys, this is the final look. But I'm not sure about this dress because it's not giving. So I don't know if you guys can see me, but let me adjust my tripod. But am I not pretty? This girl is fine. Damn, girl. Jadi selamat pami now. So let me see. I just don't like it because it's just there. Oh, this is the back. It has like a little pin at the back. So well, I'm loving my hair. Like period. This is not giving at all. I'll just look for something else to wear, but I like the up. I just can't cut it. Nope. So guys, this is the second outfit. It's just there. I wanted to show off a little skin, but skin is not showing off. Skin said no, I'm not showing off. So, but it has a long hand. I'm going to show you pictures later. This is all I could come up with. Let me move this back.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done.
Guys, what do you think?
Just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin,
So guys, I'm done and I'm about to edit, but before then I'm going to fix my nails first. I'll do myself. It's just stick on. So, but it's giving, yeah. All right, guys. See you. Bye. Mwah.
how many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
You send me out there, work. You see me do my da.
Yeah.
Work. To me, I be work. See me do me dirt. Something about that work. Drive me a dessert. Listen to be lurking.
Yeah.
You make a places. I believe that all of your dreams